The letter C story sound K. Once upon a garden green, where flowers danced and bees were seen, lived a curious caterpillar named Callie with a smile so serene. She crawled along with much delight in the daytime and through the night, munching on carrots, her appetite so keen she loved them orange and bright. One day she found a candy sweet. Oh, what a wonderful treat! But Callie remembered her mamma's rule not to eat treats before her meal. So she crawled away with willpower strong to find a snack that was not wrong. And there she found a cookie, munching with a sound so yummy and neat, a perfect treat to make her complete.